Hi Jaspal, how are you doing?
Good, doctor. How are you?
I'm good too.
Good.
So it's been 1 year.
Yes, it's been 1 year.
Can you give me a brief introduction from where you are and what was your weight before you came to me in Jalandhar for the weight loss surgery?
I went last September to go see Dr. Jammu in Jalandhar for weight loss surgery. I was about 425 pounds. Bad snoring, everything hurt. Best decision of my life. I'm down 200 pounds in 1 year. I'm now 225. I don't snore anymore. My blood pressure's gone. And it really changed my life thanks to you. It makes life easier for me, my family who was worried about me. So it was the best decision I ever made.
Did you have any problem while you came from US? So
Oh, no.
did you have any problem? Some people are scared that when we come back, maybe we have some problem, ਕੋਈ ਦੁੱਖ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ ਕਿੱਧਰ ਜਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਕੋਈ ਤੰਗੀ ਆਈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ?
ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਠੀਕ ਸੀਗਾ। ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਗਿਆ 7 ਵਜੇ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਸਰਜਰੀ ਲਈ ਇੱਕ ਦਿਨ ਹਸਪੀਟਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਦੂਜੇ ਦਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਗੌਨ ਮੈਂ ਹੋਟਲ ਰਿਹਾ 2 ਵਾਰੀ ਮੁੜ ਕੇ ਗਿਆ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਦੇਖਣਾ ਪੈਣਾ but no discomfort nothing like that.
So what all you are able to do now what you were not able to do before the surgery?
I mean I can do more now because I'm not big and I can go up a flight of stairs without feeling like I'm that guy. I would have to go to the elevator and I can go up the stairs or can exercise or I like going out now, going to the beach like I didn't before. I felt uncomfortable. I can do almost everything now. So
good. Can you share your cell number?
Of course. My number is 530-218-0264. You can call me or text me at any time. Texting is probably a little bit better because then I can reply. And you can always email me also at jaspalkang87@gmail.com. That's JASPALKANG87@gmail.com.
So you're all set to get married now?
We'll see. We'll see if we find somebody.
So when you came to me, you never had any marriage plans. So 1 year, is it there something changed in you?
There's more plans now than before. It was nothing before, but now that I'm healthy and I feel good, yeah, I could probably one day. Before it was never, but now one day.
Now I feel you're most eligible bachelor now.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.